Welcome, fitness enthusiasts and climbers, to our guide on the best gym chalk products available on Amazon. In the world of fitness and climbing, a secure grip can make all the difference. That's where Gym Chalk comes in. TITGGI Chalk is a unique option. It's a liquid chalk that dries quickly, providing a long-lasting grip. It's especially suitable for climbers. EVMT liquid chalk is well known for its excellent moisture-absorbing properties. It's an excellent choice for high-intensity workouts and climbing. FrictionLabs Ball Chalk Ball is easy to apply and minimizes mess. It's great for those who want precision in their chalk application during workouts. FrictionLabs Doorleg Grip Chalk is known for its high quality, fine texture that provides a consistent grip. It's perfect for both climbers and weightlifters. SpartaFlex Liquid Gym Chalk is a popular choice among climbers and athletes. It offers excellent grip and reduces sweating, enhancing your performance during workouts.